Hello Joe. Chala wange mulese mutwali anatero simulukuka. Badi nsaba kumpolayo.
Kati wetaga sente gamaka.
Etaga emitwalo ngabi.
Ekituufu zose zirinaawo.
Kasos hasn't come back yet. And the hospital bills haven't been cleared.
3 million? It's so ridiculous.
I don't even know where to start.
I have someone where I will send you to. She helps a lot of girls in earning a living.
Tojja kunkolera.
Bambi mami nyamba. Singo badde osobola wandisose nongezesa n'olaba.
Tojja kusobola sikiriza bakasitoma abange.
Mami, omusajja nga yestituuse obulungi. Tafaayo wa wateeka.
Aba alina okufuna ekimusikiriza okuyingira. Kuba tabeera muzibu.
Sente zeetaaga. Kuba talina gy'agenda kujja sente mu bwangu. Omwana we ali ku byuma. Ate bw'atasasula mu bwangu ayinza okumufiirwa.
Nyama! What kind of job did you send me to?
Where are you going to get a job that pays you 2 million in 2 months?
I am not going to do what you do.
Fuck that shit. No one cares if you're broke.
Someone help me!
Nkulabe tonjagaliza kulaakulana mu business. Ondeetera otya abantu abagenda okunsula obusuuzi?
I really can't do it. If there was any other way, I would have tried that.
Well, you just lost your son.